So it's just 2, 3, sharp 4, 5, and then you repeat the entire thing. So let's break it down. First, you're playing your 4. So obviously I'm playing my 4 here, but I'm voicing it out here with my my pinky finger here. Then I'm playing my 3. But then on my right hand I'm playing the second version of 1. So it's note of, so it's 2. On my right hand I'm playing note of 4. And then I'm going to 3. On my right hand I'm playing the second version of 1. Then I'm playing sharp 4, which is gonna be your D major, F, and then B flat on your right hand. Then I'm going to my 5, and I'm playing the second version of 5. And as you go along, you can even play it here as well. So this is something that I like to do. I'll just play 5 and then 1. Alright, yeah, that's something that you can play, as I've said, during prayer, during intercession, or even when you are alone, just want to meditate or just want to flow. But I hope that helps.